Hi, and welcome to Chi Color Master How to Set Up video. First thing you need to do is to turn on the machine. Open left door and turn on the tablet by pressing the button shown in the video. Close the door and your tablet should be on. If tablet is not on, make sure it is plugged in. Connect tablet to the Wi-Fi. For this, go to Wi-Fi settings and choose the network you want to join. Enter password if necessary and click Connect. Now you can open Color Master app in your tablet. When Color Master app is open, click on Dispense mode. Then go to Management. Make sure canister number 12 is selected and click on Replace. Now take canister 12 and make sure the nozzle is matching with the arrow. Open the left door and place the canister in the slot. Make sure the arrow in the can is lined up with the front of the machine, just like the video showcases. After placing canister, close the door and go back to the tablet. Click Yes and repeat these steps until all 12 canisters are placed in their slots. Now click on Cleaning and select All option. All canisters will be selected and click Start. Take the Chi bowl and place it in the dispenser. Now is your time to wait until machine dispenses some product on each canister as part of the calibration process. This helps ensure that all canister will dispense the best color for your clients. After machine has finished calibrating, take out bowl and start making over 30,000 pre-made formulas with infinite capabilities.